Hi everyone, this is a practice problem for quadratics for your Math IB exam. So we'll get started. We have 4 questions, and the first one says to factorize this expression. So basically that just means you're factoring out the x, and you're going to get x minus k. So that's that answer. All right, and it says solve the equation. So we're setting this to 0, so you get x equals 0 and x equals k. You're just setting both of these pieces to 0. Okay, so now given the diagram, it says to solve for k. Well, that means when y is 0, we have a 0 here, and this one, this has to be 3. So that's 3 comma 0 here. So k equals 3. Now, it wants us to find the minimum value of the function. So that means they want this point here. So you can use your negative b divided by 2a, f of negative b divided by 2a. Do it that way. And in our case, our function is y equals x squared minus 3x, because our k is 3. So, in our case, our b is negative 3, so we have negative times negative 3 divided by 2. And then that's going to end up being 3/2. And then we have, to find your y, let's do that on another sheet. So to find your y, we have y equals x squared minus 3k. So we know our x value is 3/2, so we can write as 1.5. So to find your other value, just plug it in, because we're doing f of negative b divided by 2a. So y is going to be 3/2 minus 3 times 3/2. So that gives you, and that's squared. So 9/4 minus 9/2, which gives you 9/4 minus 18/4, which equals negative 9/4, which is, you divide that, 4 goes into 9, negative 9 2 times, with 1 left over. So that would be negative 2.25. All right. Another way to do it is do the derivative of this. So if you did the derivative of this, so y prime would be 2x minus 3. And then you could get your answers that way as well, if you wanted to do that. All right. And that's it. And what you would do is you'd set this to 0. And so you'd get x equals 3/2. And then you do the same thing, you just plug it in. So once you do the derivative, so you can either use this method or this method. Either way will give you the right answer for the IB exam. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Again, this was the answer for that last part. Bye-bye.